I'm Stephanie Parks and I'm the founder of Derm Warehouse. Today I'm going to talk about the Defenage 8-in-1 Bio Serum. This is Defenage's first product. It is their longest produced product, so it's been around for a while. It's their most popular product as well. This product is a cream-like serum that contains an unprecedented amount of defensin molecules in their Age-Repair Defensin Complex. That is their proprietary ingredient that they include in this product and several other of their products. And what defensins are natural molecules that signal the body to create new skin by activating dormant cells in the skin. So the Defenage 8-in-1 Bio Serum contains an identical copy of human defensins made via biosynthesis. And this Age-Repair Defensin Complex is exclusive to Defenage. So this is something that really makes this brand stand out, is this proprietary ingredient that they include in their products. This product also contains niacinamide, which helps with hydration, it helps with firmness, elasticity, brightening. It has hyaluronic acid, which helps with hydration, and then it also contains antioxidants, enzymes, hydrating technologies. So this combination of ingredients really makes this product great for age repair. The results of this product are similar or equal to 8 separate serums. So that, hence the name, 8-in-1 Bio Serum. It's like you're getting 8 serums in one with this product. This product promotes a lot of different things: smoothness, radiance, moisture, glow. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with skin discoloration. It helps brighten. It helps with firmness and elasticity, and it also helps with redness. So it's doing a lot of different things to help your skin. You put it on twice a day. You need 1 pump of this product. It's okay to use even around your eye area, which is great because you get those results around the eyes as well as all over your face. This product is meant to be paired with their 24/7 Barrier Balance Cream, which I actually have right here. These products are meant to be used together. They help each other out, enhance results. So usually you use your serum first and then your hydrator, your moisturizer, or your other creams. But in this case, you would use the 24/7 Barrier Balance Cream all over your face first, wait about 30 seconds for that to dry, and then you go in and use your 8-in-1 Bio Serum on top of that. This is a great product for all skin types. It's great to combine with procedures like microneedling. And again, this is the Defenage 8-in-1 Bio Serum, and you can get that at dermwarehouse.com.